Assalamualaikum everyone, this is your brother Sayyid Hardisha and welcome back to my YouTube channel How to Seek. After a long time I bring a video and I was so busy, that's why I didn't make a video. So I'm sorry for that, and after a long research I also bring the beautiful course affiliate marketing, all the course for beginner for free. Okay, so inshallah you will learn number by number how to do affiliate marketing. First of all, what is affiliate marketing, how to take a right product, where to do, and where to promote the right product to the right customer on the right time. So without squandering time, let's get back towards the video. But before starting the video, I'm going to do a little bit request to you that if you still not do subscribe my YouTube channel, so make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well for the further informative videos like this. Let's go. So first of all, we have to know what is affiliate marketing actually. Affiliate marketing is performance-based by marketing strategy in which you have to promote the product for a company or a brand, and they will pass a commission to you and on each purchase. Okay, if in its more simple words, I want to explain it to you that if, for instance, you are as an affiliate marketer enter to Amazon Associate or ClickBank or anywhere and as affiliate marketer, okay, first of all you have to sign up as affiliate and they will give you the product and you get a product affiliate link of the product, and you will you promote that product on a social media platforms to your audience, like on Facebook, your Facebook friends, on your YouTube channel, to your YouTube subscribers, to your subscriptions, people which are subscribe your channel, those people are on your follower on Instagram, okay, and you promote that product and they click on the link and makes a purchase, you will get a commission in that product. Okay, I'm gonna give you the example. For instance, you are signed up to the Samsung company, and this phone, Samsung J7, is launched by Samsung in 2016, and you get the link of this Samsung and promote this but affiliate link. Okay, first of all you have to sign up as an affiliate and then you promote this Samsung phone to your Instagram follower, your Facebook friends, your the follower of your Facebook page, and your YouTube channel, on TikTok, on Snack Radio, and they click on the link, affiliate link, which the Samsung company gives you, and they goes directly to the Samsung website and they makes a purchase. For instance, this phone is up to $100, okay, and someone makes a purchase, you will earn up to $10 to $20 or $25. Okay, 20 to 25 or 30% commission you will earn in it. So this is just as a busy job, like you will earn money in sleeping even when you promote the product. Like once your affiliate account is like promoting, makes a promotion, it's gonna promote, so I'm gonna bet on it that like you will be too successful in the future too soon. Really, I'm not kidding. A lot of people are earning money, and like 1,000 people are earning the money. Okay, it's not a bullshit. I'm not telling anything bullshit to you, okay guys, this is reality. What I am telling you, this is the reality. This is 2023, okay, it's not like a 2022 or 20. This is 2023. You have to make a passive income. For the passive income, you have to learn freelancing, content creation like me I'm doing, and like anything, freelancing, YouTube creation, okay, content creation, sorry, YouTube channel and website, blogging. These are the things which can max you the millionaire. I'm not kidding. Really, this is like I saw a lot of people that they are a millionaire. Like a lot of YouTubers, and they are too successful. So why you are not? What are you waiting for? If you are face shame, okay, so watch this course. It will be too beneficial for you. I'm not kidding. This is this course will be too beneficial for you once you learn and once you get a startup. But if you think that today I take a start and tomorrow I'll be the millionaire and after tomorrow No, just leave it. It's not your work, okay? It's not the work of dreaming. It's a reality, and it's reality. In the reality, you have to do effort. You have to be consistent. You have to be, motivate yourself time and again. Okay, but you have to motivate yourself, because when once you promote a product, no one buy. After 1 month, after 2 months, after 3 months, and you will be gonna demotivate. No, don't be demotivated. Motivate yourself. Motivate yourself. So this is all about today's video. If today's video is a little bit informative for you guys, so make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well, and give a thumb to the video, and as well as leave your comment in the comment section below, and what's your opinion about. And inshallah, I'll bring more informative courses, just like freelancing, and as well as email marketing as well. I'll bring, inshallah, and as well as I bring graphic designing course and web development course, inshallah. But for that, if you want to watch it, so learn some skills more, so you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well, for receiving our all videos first to you. And as well as this will be appreciation for us and a courage for us from you guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next lesson number 2 of affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.